All right, you know how like every so often I'm excited more than normal about a video? This one excites me. So this was discovered over Christmas. Somebody brought this to Christmas when they came over, and I said, how did you make this? This isn't just a lazy man's recipe. This is a lazy peanut butter fudge. That's what it is. Lazy. It doesn't get any lazy in this. Wait till you see the ingredients. Come on in close. I'm going to start laughing. I can't handle it. All right, you guys know my friend Jeanette? Okay, she made it and brought it over, and I was blown away. I said, how did you make this? She said, it's super easy. So you take 1 can of frosting, and you take 1 jar of peanut butter, put that in the microwave for a minute, put that in the microwave for a minute, and mix them together. And then you put them in this tin, or if you have a metal one, then a metal one, and then you refrigerate it. That's it. I'm like, that's it? She said, yeah. So I'm going, wow, frosting, peanut butter. That's super easy. Are you kidding me? And then I thought, sugar-free frosting, and peanut butter. So sugar-free frosting is my experiment in this video. So we're going to make this, then we're going to try this, see if this works too. Because sugar-free frosting, but it probably won't react the same. I'm not going to call it. I'm just going to make it the way she told me. I'm going to refrigerate it for about 6 hours, I think. And then we're going to cut it up and taste it. If it tastes like fudge, success. If it doesn't taste like fudge, failure. Okay? Don't know if this is going to work. I'm sure this is going to work because this is what she did. So let's get together and let's start microwaving these for 1 minute and then mixing them together. All right, guys. So this literally poured right out of this jar into this bowl. We got it all melted, kind of melted. It's warm. All right. I just put the frosting in for a minute. Let's. Oh, wow. That pours out too. Ready? Yeesh. I'll let you go ahead and scrape that. So there it is. Peanut butter and frosting. We got the chunky Jif. So we'd have peanuts in our fudge. How cool is that, huh? That may have been a bad mistake because she didn't do that. But anyway, we're going to make sure
well, you can add whatever you want.
Yeah, you could put, right now, you could put chocolate chips in. You could put pecans in, whatever you want. Can I take this?
Yeah, just throw it on.
All right, we're mixing it up now. Oh, it smells so good. You ready? Now, do you want to scrape the bowl scraper?
No.
No, you're good?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. She's going to put it in there now. And that's it. That's what we had on Christmas. Without the peanuts, we're going to find out if the peanuts probably have nothing to do with anything. But is this exciting? Oh, I have nothing to do. I'm lazy. But this is it right here. We're going to put this in the fridge. We're going to wait about 6 hours. We got a movie to go to. We'll come back and we'll check it out tonight. But that was it. That was it. So now we're going to do really quick the sugar-free one.
But we're going to mark the pan so we can see.
Yeah, we're going to just take a black marker and mark the pan. And the one with the black.
That's the regular. We'll do this one.
Yeah, mark it under the batter, like at the bottom, so we won't know. Okay, we got a black mark on the sugar-free one, okay? So let's get that into the fridge, and then we'll fill this one with the sugar-free. So we don't need to film us doing this, right?
No, it's just the same.
They're very close looking. This is the one with sugar, okay? This is the one, the sugar-free one, okay? They're both solid. So let me cut this really quick before we pull the camera back and try it. I want to show you how they look like from the side. This is the sugar-free one. This is the one with sugar, okay? We notice the sugar-free batch is softer. It's got a little more push. This is more harder, okay? This one was really goo. It's already gooing up right now, which is interesting, which tells me sugar hardens fast. I don't know. So let's give them both a try and see if they're any good. Let's see if the sugar-free frosting is able to be used with the peanut butter and see if the crunchy peanut butter was worth. I had the originals with creamy peanut butter. These are crunchy peanut butter. So why am I bopping around? Because this is probably one of the laziest videos I've done in my entire YouTube career. Putting two items together. I can't recall a lazier recipe. All right, so here's the one with sugar. Let's try this one first. The crunchy works. Wow, that's really good. That's dead on. Tastes just like fudge. Who would have thought, right? Here is the sugar-free one. This is very interesting. I just learned something. The sugar-free one is good. Being sugar-free, it allows me to taste more peanut butter. That has more peanut butter flavor. I'm not lying. The frosting has 23 grams of sugar in this. The frosting in this has 0 grams. But realize some peanut butters have sugar, so if you want to make a natural peanut butter and avoid the sugar, you can go that way too. There's so many different ways you can do this. You can add so many ingredients to it. But if you like peanut butter, the sugar-free version has a stronger peanut butter flavor. This has a perfect fudge flavor. That's what I discovered. So they both work. That's amazing. That's really interesting. All right. So I hope you guys had a great holiday season. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And I hope within 5 minutes you throw this together and you pop in the fridge and you're enjoying this wonderful kind of peanut butter fudge. All right? I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.